Hello Fin friends, and welcome to the Mermaid Baking Academy. Today I was planning to make banana bread, but when I got down here I realized that someone, probably Eric, had played a trick on me and had replaced all of my bowls with buckets. So let's see what we have here. We've got this big purple one, oh, and then we have this medium yellow one, and this teeny tiny little yellow one. Oh, but never fear, I have some tools as well. I have these shovels and these sand tools and whatnot. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with all of these, but I know that I believe in following your dreams. And right now, friends, I am dreaming of banana bread. So let's roll up our sleeves and see if we can make this work. To start, we obviously need bananas. We'll just throw those in there. And then I guess we'll use this dingle-hoppery looking thing to mash it. The more brown and squashy and yucky the bananas are, the more flavor your bread will have. Looks good. Now we need vanilla, and we'll just mix that in with this purple shovel. That'll be perfect. Normally I would whisk all of my dry ingredients together, but I don't have a whisk. What I do have are these two sort of sieve looking things. So I'm gonna use this one to attempt to whisk, and this one to attempt to sift my flour. So I'll just pour a little bit in there like that. And we'll just give it a good shake. Maybe a nice little tap, tap, tap on the side. Great! Now add the salt and the baking soda and give it a good mix. Since we are making this in a bucket, I want to make extra sure that it really is all mixed together. So let's give it a little shake. That looks good. For the wet ingredients, we'll start with the butter, add the white sugar, and the brown sugar. An electric mixer is definitely a great way to cream your ingredients together, but it isn't the only way. We can use this blue shovel to do it too. So banana bread is considered a quick bread. A quick bread is any type of bread that doesn't use yeast to rise. So generally they'll use baking soda or baking powder. So some types of quick breads would be like pancakes, or muffins, or biscuits, or banana bread. Perfect. Now add the eggs one at a time, mixing really well between each addition. Now egg number 2, pour that guy in. Come my little friends, as we all sing a happy little mixing song. Merry little voices clear and strong. Come and roll your sleeves up so that we can pitch in. Mixing stuff up in the kitchen as we sing along. Great! Pour in half the dry ingredients and stir and stir and stir and stir. Get those bananas in there. Fold them in nicely with your shovel. And now add the rest of the dry ingredients. And stir, and stir, and stir, and stir. So this bucket is absolutely perfect for making sandcastles, but I'm afraid that these turrets on the bottom might be trapping some of our ingredients. So I'm just gonna dive right in with my hands to make sure it's well mixed. Oh my goodness, oh, this is fun! Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan and bake for 1 hour. Voila! Banana bread from a bucket. Thank you so much for baking with me today. That was a funny joke that someone played on us, but actually I think our bucket banana bread turned out amazing. Plus, we learned that quick breads can be made using almost anything and almost anywhere. They are that simple. So get creative, my friends, get baking, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.